A public service announcement. If you witness a sneeze in the South, you have now entered into a binding social contract. You're pretty much required by law and K. Ivy, I think, to say bless you when someone sneezes. Otherwise, you risk the pain of death and also ostrich will kick you out, I guess. I try to avoid the whole situation. I'm more of an inward sneezer. I'm more of an inward sneezer, but I know a guy that I work with. Every time he sneezes, it's an event. He sneezes like, I don't have the power to bless that. You know what I mean? I don't have enough power vested in me to do anything about that.